I'm genuinely nervous. I'm not much of a forward driver. Like, I'm genuinely nervous. I don't know if I want you to be filming me right now. Like, look, it looks like it's going to drop off the edge. Are you serious? Going to stick my feet in, see how we go. Just tempt fate. If I was a crocodile, I wouldn't be here. I'd be more over there. Oh my God, it's warm. Mate, this is out of control beautiful. Freshwater or saltwater crocodiles? They both can come up here, right? I think we'll be right.
His warning to us before.
Take it easy, this road is not pretty. Oh, I've never driven a road like this before. So we have just spent the last couple of days in Dhalinybuy in East Arnhem Land. Sorry, we're on a bit of a rough road, but today we are actually driving into one of the homelands, the Dhalinybuy homeland, to experience a little bit more about how the Indigenous population out here live in one of the communities.
Welcome to Cato. This is where all the Ngapaki comes and launch their boat for camping, fishing of barramundi, and also crabbing. If there are more tourists come here, they are welcome to Cato or to the Dhalinybuy.
What's the bet? We film me all day. We film me all day and I don't catch a single thing. We'll catch one. We will catch one. I'm very confident. If not, there's really good cheese and bickies over there that I can eat later. There's a ripping sunset. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? This is Arnhem Land.